Hello students, today class we are going to see the artificial methods in asexual reproduction. Yesterday class, what are the two methods of asexual reproduction we have seen. So now artificial methods in asexual reproduction. So there are two types of artificial method. One is conventional method, another one is modern method. So in conventional method, artificial propagation have been produced by man. And then technology is being used for propagation. That method is called modern methods. So the first conventional method is cutting. Already you know about the cutting. ஒரு ரோஸ் செடியை நம்ம கட் பண்ணி வச்சா இன்னொரு செடியை அது வளரும். That like method is called cutting. The method of producing new plant through the parts such as root, stem, leaf from the parent plant. So such a type is called cutting. Example, hibiscus, bougainvillea, moringa, bryophyllum, etc. So this diagram shows the cutting, how the plants are propagated through cutting. Next method is grafting. So here parts of two different plants are joined together and continue to grow as a single plant, one new plant, that is called grafting. So for that we need two plants. The first plant is called stalk. It has to be maintained in the soil itself. And then what are the next plant what we have to be graft, that is called scion. That plant is no need to fix it on the soil. So that is called grafting. So first one, bud grafting. In this bud grafting, so in the stalk plant we have to made a T-shaped incision. So ஒரு T-shapeல நம்ம வந்து ஒரு கட் வந்து create பண்ணிக்கணும். That is called T-shaped incision. It was made in the stalk. Stalk was always in the soil. And the next is scion. So we have to take a small portion of the scion. What the plant have to be grafted, that scion bud have to be taken, and it was placed inside the T-shaped incision, and we have to bandage with the tape. The next, approached grafting. Here both the scion and stalk both are remain rooted. So they are brought together, close together, and tied together and held by a tab. So this is the major difference between the approach grafting and the bud grafting. In that, in the previous one, stalk only present in the soil, scion no need to fix it on the soil. Here both the plants are fixed it in the soil but brought close together and made it tight together. So this picture shows the bud grafting, approach grafting, and then another method also given, tongue grafting. So tongue grafting. So here the scion and stalk, it has to be both the plants have to be same thickness. The cut made in oblique direction. So in the previous picture you can see that one. The scion is fit into the stalk and bound up with tab. And wedge grafting. Here this slit is made in the stalk. Wedge means ulin solvole, and the shape la we have to made it a slit. So scion is inserted into the wedge shaped slit and tightly bound up by tape. So both the cambium of the plants join together and produce a new plant. So this type is called ground grafting.